Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to generate your validator key stores and deposit data using the Wagyu KeyGen tool. So go ahead and click onto the link for Wagyu KeyGen, and it will bring you to the wagyu.gg website. Depending on your operating system, choose the corresponding versions to download. For me, I'm using a MacBook, so I'm going ahead with the MacBook icon. And let's wait for it to be downloaded. All right, once it's downloaded, double click on it and drag the application into the applications folder. All right, once that's done, close the window and we can go ahead and search for Wagyu. Nope. Let's try it again. Search for Wagyu. Key. Yes, it's now here. Search for Wagyu KeyGen and click onto it. There might be some security warnings like this. And what you have to do if you're using Mac is simply click on this question mark button. This very useful guide will pop up. Scroll down. Under this hyperlinked open privacy and security settings for me, click onto it. Let's just move this away. And you'll see this section here saying Wagyu KeyGen was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer. And you might have to wait for a while for this message to pop up. And if you do see this, click on the button open anyway. And then open. And just wait for a bit. You can close this in the meantime. Right, so the Wagyu KeyGen application is now open. What you have to do is to click on this button to create new secret recovery phrase. Select the Holesky testnet. Okay. And there'll be instructions to guide you along the process of creating your secret recovery phrase, your validator key stores, and your deposit data. There'll be some warnings to tell you that internet is detected, and this is because, according to security best practices, you should be generating your secret recovery phrase and your key stores in an offline environment. But because we are doing this on the testnet, let's just go ahead with having our internet connected. So click on create, and it will take up to 30 seconds as mentioned to generate your secret recovery phrase. And 24 words will be generated. So this is your secret recovery phrase. Make sure to back this up safely and don't save any digital copies of this if you are doing this on the mainnet. But for testnet, you can simply use a text edit application, a text editor. Just click on new document and just paste it here. Because in the next step, you'll be prompted to re-enter the secret recovery phrase so that the application knows that you have recorded it down correctly. Then you have to select a password. Make sure you use a password with at least 12 characters, otherwise you'll be faced with an error subsequently. For the Ethereum withdrawal address, if you are going to be using the Lido community staking module, you have to use a specific withdrawal address for either the testnet or mainnet. So in order to retrieve these addresses, go back to your dApp node interface, and here you'll see under this section, create validator key stores with the required withdrawal credentials for Lido. For Holesky, use this one. So copy this and go back to your Wagyu KeyGen application and paste it in and hit next. Then you'll have to retype your password to confirm it, and then choose a folder where you will save your keys. I will simply save it in my downloads folder for the purposes of this demo, but feel free to create new folders to save your keys in. And next hit create, and we'll have to wait for a bit to generate our keys. And we are done. Your keys have been created here in this file directory. There are two different files, the key store file and the deposit data. The key store file is used by a validator to sign attestations, to propose transactions, and the deposit data file is only used once during the deposit process. And in the next video, I will show you how to use both files to complete your CSM validator setup.